Dear students, good morning to all. May God bless all of you. So, in the last classes, we were dealing with the advent of Christianity and the new Byzantine Empire. And last class, we dealt with the emergence of the Turks and the Crusades. Crusades means it's a holy war. It is fought between Christians and Muslims because the Christians want to regain the control of Jerusalem, the Holy Land, from the Muslims. So it is because the Holy Land or the city of Jerusalem and the premises of Jerusalem where Jesus Christ was born, Jesus Christ preached the gospel, where Jesus Christ was crucified, these all places were kept as the holy places, important place for the Christians. So as the Turks conquered Jerusalem, Christians fought to regain. And the specialty for the Muslims that it was land where Prophet Muhammad ascended into heaven. This is a belief. So for both Christians and Muslims, the Jerusalem, the Holy Land, was so important. So before that, by the leadership of the Turks, the Holy Land was captured from the Arabs. When Arabs had control over Jerusalem, Christians had no problem as they were allowed to visit the city and they could go for pilgrimage. So visiting the holy places is considered as sacred to the Christians and Muslims as well. But the Arabs allowed Christians to go there and have the worship. But when Turks took control of Jerusalem in 1070 century, 1070 means 1070 century, they did not allow Christian pilgrims to visit Jerusalem. So this led to the Holy Wars. So the background for the Crusades was that the Turks didn't allow the Christians to go to the Holy Land to visit and pray. So the Byzantine Empire requested the Western Europe for help. Pope Urban II delivered a highly influential speech on November 27, 1095 century. So in his sermon, he called the Christians for a holy war against Muslims in order to reclaim the Holy Land of Jerusalem. So the Crusades are the holy wars fought between Christians and Muslims to regain the freedom to enter Jerusalem, their holy city. So it was the Pope. Pope was considered as the leader of the Christians. He delivered a speech and invited or influenced the Christians to reclaim the Holy Land by war. So the first main three crusades are noted down here. The first crusade, you have to study the period. It is 1095 to 1099. It was very successful and the European armies drove out the Turks and took control over Jerusalem. So in the first crusade, the Byzantine Empire, with the help of the Western Europe, the first crusade was won by the army. But it only lasted for some time, only about 48 years. The second crusade, it is in 1147. The Turks conquered Edessa. Edessa is a holy city. Innumerable people were killed, and living people were sold as slaves. The second crusade began but was not successful. So, in the second crusade, the Christians, the European army failed. The third crusade was on 1187. Jerusalem was recaptured by the Turks in 1187. But the crusade could not get back Jerusalem, but got the rights for pilgrims to visit the city. So, though the crusade was a failure for the Christians, they are given the right to visit or to go for pilgrimage to Jerusalem. So, the main three crusades. And secondly,